This is the white ones. I separated it. Then this is the colored ones. I'm gonna put the colored ones here. And so, oh my god. I will add water. And add a little soap. A little more soap. And then put my clothes here. This is my clothes. The other day I washed clothes of my kids. And then now my clothes. I just need to mix this. So all the soap goes in my clothes.
Ganyan, wag yan. Wag mo nga na yun yan. May mo yun eh. Ikaw bobog.
And soap again. So it would smell so nice. Smell like sunflowers. Because I use this surf powder. Surf powder baka naman. Surf company. Actually, I bought 6 of surf powder. It's only cost 50 pesos. Almost $1. Our house was a mess. We will just clean up. Today is Sunday, July 5. So I wanna have a first pa lang. And this little cutie. Look at this cup. Still has I did not remove. I just banlaw. I don't know the English of banlaw. Hey, little human. Oh. Amen.
Yun na lang, pita kaya. Pita na lang.
Ay, hindi ko. Ba't mo kain yung?
Laki kaya.
Hindi pala. Sabi ka pa malagot. Malagot pa rin eh. This is from the other day pa, but still good. You need to be think practical, mga mama.
Nakakatakot mo ka.
Kamu ka ni Veggie, ano? Ano?
Sa mama mo!
Ay, na mabuhangin.
Ba't nadurog ka rin? Paano na sa panginitan? No. Ang sarap yung kanto eh. Kala mo matigas, malapit lang. Baba! Ito mo, aabot ka na dito, oh. Ay, malapit na siya mabukit, no?
So now my baby will gonna take a bath after he drink his vitamins. She will gonna take a bath now, mga kamama. And after baby hopes, next is Kuya Zeus. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. 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 So, time check. Time check. It's 10:23 a.m. Hoping you finish our vlog for today. Oh, this is the soap of my baby. This is tender care for her hair and body. Wow. So, paliguan ko na siya. See you later. This set of outfits that I choose to wear my baby hope for today is just perfect for the hot weather of our country, Philippines. And this is the essentials for baby skin, lotion and powder, and also her sweet scent, fresh scent perfume. I only bought this in an affordable price. Some lotions, and then next is pa si baby. So fresh. Ang mommy, no. So ugly. Then, tutupiin ko na to mga damit dito. I will fold this some clothes. Natambak lang. Ay, wala kasing drawer eh. Grabe, ang dumi. Tupiin ko muna to dahil maglilinis lang ng bahay. Magwawalis ang mama mo. Walang mga damit dito. Ay, baby.
Bagong ligo, init.
Naligo ka na?
Oo. Init-init eh.
Ay.
Problem sa akin.
Hindi pa naman kita nakikita eh.
Ano nakakasabi ng anak ko?
At tinatay mo. Vlog ako eh.
Init-init. Punta ko roko.
You know guys. You know mga mama, we're poor. That's why we don't have any appliances like air conditioner, refrigerator, or television. That's why we need to try harder in life. We need to try some extra income that we could earn a little money to survive for a living. That's how it works here in the Philippines. And I know it is also from other countries that we need to make a extra income to survive in our daily life expenses. Oh my god, so later again. So my father-in-law gave us an ulam for today. There it is. So thankful to my father-in-law and mother-in-law because they always gave us a free meal. And look at that. My baby is sleeping na and her father. And then I will continue my look at my firstborn did. When he takes a bath, he also takes a bath the toys. How funny. So messy. Turn to the mess of our, what do you call this? Our bathroom is not aesthetic. I will clean this bathroom later after I wash my clothes. So, bear with me, mga mama, bear with me. while I'm washing my clothes manually using my bare hands. This kind of lifestyle I have a simple life. I always stay positive, although there's many life struggles in this world, in this kind of my life situation. Because it to be stay happy and motivated always. Kain ka na, pray ka na. Bang hinihimay kita ng fish. Uy. Pray na, nak. Pray na muna, nak. Bago ano. Pray na. Ooh, so hot. Freshly cooked. Freshly cooked thanks to tatay.
Gigo Mother.
Oh, thanks to father and mother for the blessings. Wow.
Mama, naiwan ko.
It's a
Mama,
big fish.
Mama, naiwan ko. Naiwan ko.
Oo, tama na. Iway-iway mo. Musin mo yung kanin mo. Mag-pray ka na. Sige na.
Big.
Mag-pray ka na. Para matuwa si father. Father and mother will be very
Papa, hindi.
happy. Papa, later he will eat na.
Papa, 8 na.
Later nga.
Hindi sama simba.
He was sleeping. Wala tayo simba ngayon.
Ayun. Munaling.
Oh, kain na. Bili na. Pray mo na. Bili na. Mag-pray ka na. Paano mag-pray? Di ba marunong ka na mag-pray?
Muna?
Bili na. Pray na.
Okay. Amin.
Kain na.
Mama yan. Mama yan.
Sa'yo yan. Binigay yan sa'yo ni Dikunis. Kain na.
Muna?
Kita ko, kita ko.
Mungkin mo yan.
Nakaya ka kita. Ayun, Luis!
Please.
Ako. Nakaya. Ay!
Kumain na. Again. Look at our house, so messy. I'm just got done eating lunch. And then this little baby wants to breastfeed again. This. I'm exhausted. To handle this drama. Drama queen. Halika na. Oh, want to breastfeed again, ha? Want to breastfeed again. She wants sleep na. She feels sleepy na. What a good baby. And aturon with malapit rice inside. Yummy! Thank you so much, Nanay. Oh,
Ano ko dyan? Ginagawa ko? Hoy. Puro-puro pa. Puro pa naman, puro pa rin. Uy! Ay, ano? Ha? Wala ulam. Kaitan. Wala pa eh. Ay, gusto bang nasi ganun ha? Ay, yun. Iya, mudah. Iya, mudah. Iya, mudah. Iya, mudah. Sini Rana. Sini Rana. Sini Rana apa? Doon, pasok doon. Ito mo lang, pasok doon.
in the afternoon. Time check 4 p.m. 4:23 p.m. Ito lang.
Sino? Awa! Ay, sakit-sakit. Away ka, mama. Ay, nabibigit. Ay, kung pagpagbilit. Ay, kung ito.
To change diapers. Down. Let's put some color in my lips. This is my ta-da! My pouch. Why? To have a little color in my lips. And then hair oil. I think I removed the... Oh! Ito malikot na! Bawal ka pa noon. Mama lang yun. Yeah, done. Dahil nasa bahay lang naman tayo. My partner and my firstborn bought tuloy. Buy our ulam for our dinner. Oh my god, so hot in the Philippines. Hopya! Say bye-bye! So, this is Mama Moeen. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please subscribe down below, react, and comment your thoughts. I am from Philippines. Please support us by subscribing so I could earn a little. Thank you so much. Looking for sponsor.